Coming through. Hey everybody, good morning from Hamilton. It's downright cold out. It's 32 degrees and it's a little windy. Hopefully where I moved, some of the wind is blocked by these buildings over here to my right. I'm along the Newcastle sub where it branches right off of the CSX and starts heading south. We got a train coming. Off of that, he's going to be going on to the Newcastle sub. Then I'm going to catch that. We just caught a ethanol train with some Canadian Pacific locomotives, so you guys are going to see that. That's pretty cool. But we got another big old heavy train coming. He's going to be going around the bend here, so I'm going to catch that. And once he gets here, I'll get the video rolling. All right, everybody, stay tuned. Well, slow drivers prevailed again. Oh well. I didn't catch the power coming around the curve because of slow drivers. That just irks me. I should have stayed where I was. Those big articulated auto racks, man, they're like houses on wheels. I mean, they're huge. They look like big old, just creepy looking, like cattle cars or something like that. But anyways, as you can see, it's snowy. I'm up in Hamilton. I have the windows closed and I'm not opening them. It's actually not that cold. It's a 32. So, but tomorrow morning it's going to be dangerously cold. Single digits, below zero wind chills. Yeah, so I keep telling myself I'm not going out tomorrow morning, but we all know how that works. Got some full auto racks. This is M209. So you're going to have some full ones and some empty ones. Open my windows so everybody can hear the train. The squealing and the ear piercing now. Let's see if he looks. Like that guy all the way up there to the left of your screen is Simon from Simon's EMD Productions. We even have a DPU or just straight auto racks here. Ooh, DPU coming through. A little bit of a growl. Well, that wasn't very nice what I saw on that auto rack. I didn't do anything. Invader Zim. All right. Yeah, I know what Invader Zim is. I'm only 41. I'm a young man, not old. Ow. Fill up auto racks. Some pickup trucks without the beds on, stuff like utility trucks.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 27.7. Track 1.
Well, it sounds like another train. Unless it's the local. Shut up. I get so much interference in the Newcastle frequency, it drives me nuts. Right hand, let's see what we can do here.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 27.7. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 60. End of transmission.
All right, there they go. See what else I can do here. Keep it here, folks. You all right, everybody? Check it out. Snow blowing off of those reefer cars there. All right, it's got the caboose too. Look at that. Awesome. Some Norfolk Southern trains coming on the Newcastle sub, so I'm gonna get in my truck and I'm gonna head over there. There goes Y101, getting to work. All right, everybody. I'll be up at Trenton later, probably working up there. See ya. Stay tuned. Oh, the cop's gonna run the gate. I got that on video, just like the last time in Wyoming. But this one meant business. There they are. trying to peek its way through the clouds there. 60C. Now full up gondolas full of steel slabs headed down to Irondale, Alabama. You know what, I don't mind this spot either, but that wind is blowing. It will cut cold here. Cool. Got some older gondolas here in the middle of it, it seems. Sound like some gold rails. Gonna have to find my hand warmers. I know they're in my truck somewhere. Some guy walked up here before and asked us for pennies. Pennies, of all things. Pennies. I'm not sure what you do with pennies, but he looked like he was cold. I don't know what you're going to do with pennies, but... problem with filming when it's cold in Hamilton is the trains take forever, and you constantly have to switch hands because your hands get cold. I got hand warmers in the truck. There goes Simon from Simon's EMA Productions. Looks like a Slavic security guard with his radio on, his black coat, gloves, hat, face mask, and his shoes and his white striped pants. My name is Simon. You must leave the area now. Ah, just kidding. We love Simon. He'll see this and he'll crack up. 60C. All gondolas. According to 1960 Gamut, he said that when he was down in Chattanooga that he saw these were carrying steel slabs. So that's what they're carrying. There's the end. gonna go around the bend, and when he goes around the bend, I'm getting back in my truck. All right, everybody, there they go. Keep it right here. All right, everybody, got the gates going down here at whatever road this is. The cops over here just chased this homeless fella out of there. Got a big old full ethanol train here, folks. Hope you guys like that Canadian Pacific locomotive. I know I did. That was cool. Switch hands here. The wind wasn't blowing for a minute and it started blowing again. You know, if the wind would just stop blowing, it wouldn't be so dang bad. But with the wind blowing, it's like, God, stop. This is why, like, I'm probably not going to go out tomorrow morning. I'll probably go back out down to Wyoming or Lachlan tonight during the snow squalls. But, or this evening, so like between 4 and 10. But this isn't a whole long ethanol train. It looks like 404 axles. So he'll be through here soon enough. And then there's the wind again, dang it. God, stupid, stop blowing. Why's it gotta be wind? And I can't find my hand warmers. So we either used them all and I got a resupply, which all those are at home, or they're just underneath a bunch of crap in my back seat. Looks like we got a hard working DP. EPU coming through. Cool, there we go. Stay, all right. Woo-wee. There you go, folks, stay tuned. Well, if that's too loud for you, see if I can get some heat off the engine block here. It is chilly today. Now, because we got some foreign power headed up the line here. I can see it through the trees. Look at that, we got BNSF and Union Pacific Power. It's not as windy here. Well, we got this guy going north. He is a mixed manifest. Looks like it was going to be a grain train because there's a bunch of grainers up front here, but it's a mixed manifest. $12.42 is what's in that tanker. Here's more $12.42 right there. So scrap metal. Yeah, it's not as windy right here, but it's still cold. Sodium chlorate. $14.95. There's some more sodium chlorate right there. I'll remember what that is now. Associated. Gotta file it. I always say that to myself. If you guys are working on your memory things and names and stuff like that, associated. Just don't, like, you know, put it anywhere. You do the association deal and all that stuff. There's a fire truck coming down. I'm not going to be able to get to it. Wisconsin Central. It's going right there. That fire truck is right underneath that bridge. Here he goes. Oh, there's gondolas. Brand new DJJ. Dan Jiu-Jitsu. I don't know. Probably not what that stands for, but yeah, he's the fire truck went under right underneath that train there. Comes an ambulance, turn left, it's going to go underneath the train. Pretty long train here. Trying to catch the one that's going to come around the bend and probably after this northbound. His propane tankers are pretty quiet. Now those ones aren't propane. There's some argon. Well, I'm going to get 54G. 54G is supposed to come around the Newcastle sub here after this guy passes through, I believe. And I'm going home. reason to stick around in this, in the cold and the wind. There they go, folks. It's pretty good. Like the power on that. All right, don't click away. All right, folks. Looks like we got 26C coming up the line here. I believe I caught him yesterday in New River. Boy, look at them locomotives bouncing around. Wow, he is not very long today at all. Good news for me. Last time I got to be out in this cold, man. It's been warm past few days, so when it's cold, you're like, that's cold. Shortest time limit I'll ever record up here in Hamilton for an actual length train. There they go, folks. Don't go nowhere. All right, look at that. All the monies. Look at that. $20,000. There goes 101. Like maybe picked up a car or two and then came back. I don't know if you guys can see the train or not, but look, there they go. All right, folks. Well, about missed this guy. Anyways, I'll catch him from right here. Not a big deal. Can't believe the gates haven't gone down yet. There's somebody walking across the tracks down there and the train's coming. Whoa, what's this? Looks like he's got a heritage unit or something. Oh, he's working hard. Georgia, who's got him before? Whoa. should have stayed over there. But oh well. I tried to go to Heaton Street to catch him, and that's what I get. But whatever. One that went through was 656 axles. Now, I don't think it's this guy. It was the other guy that went north on 2 right in front of me. Heavy train, I can hear the wheels hits that switch, man. Heavy train, loaded with grain. Either corn or soybean, can't tell which one. Never see Timmy. Timmy's usually not on these boring new covered hot lead drainers. He's on the NS ones, the older ones. This is not a bad train. Usually not over 500 axles on these grain trains. But I'm sure. Yeah, there's the end of it. Look at that. There we go, around the bend to the Newcastle sub. There they go, folks. And that is going to do it for me today. I want to thank you guys for joining me. I want to thank you guys for hanging out and braving the cold with me. And I'm going to get out later today when the snow squalls happen, get some film on that. All right, guys. Till catch you on the flip side. Take care. Bye-bye for now. All right, folks, I'm out of here today. It's cold, and I'm going to get out later this afternoon, like I said, with the snow squalls, get some more video there. But, so that'll be cool. I always enjoy trains in the snow. I really, really do. It's always a good shot, especially if I get a cold train. Don't know if that's going to happen, but wishful thinking, right? But now it's just like coldy and windy, or coldy. It's cold, it's windy, it's cloudy. It's just like, this is so dumb, and I want to go home. But like I said, I want to get out in the snow squalls later, so I don't have to be out tomorrow morning, because it's going to be dangerously cold, and I am not doing that tomorrow morning. So, with that, like, comment, subscribe, share if you haven't done so already. Hit that little alert button right here. You'll get the notifications for when I post. And if you have more time, please watch another video, because every video you watch really helps my channel, and I really do appreciate that. And don't forget some of those ads. Watch those through their entirety. And I really appreciate that. That's really helping the channel grow as well. And hey, until we meet again, out there on the rails, stay warm. Have a good day.